So I think Spark is up to something. I haven't seen on their social if they have partnered with a lot of community. I've done some searches to see if they've raised some funds. I've not been able to find anything specifically to see if they've raised funds. Hello guys and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing very well today. This is video number 1 for this week. It's going to be a wonderful week. So far, a lot of things has been happening in the blockchain space. I mean, Bitcoin going so bad down, and Trump tweeting about Bitcoin, and then the markets going up over the weekend. So many things, guys. So many things. But yeah, I'm not here to discuss that today. I'm going to probably share my thoughts about that on Twitter. If you're not following, please follow all my socials. But today, we are going to talk about Spark Chain. Alright, so what exactly is Spark up to? On their socials, that is X, they wrote there that our mission is to connect blockchain and AI to drive sustainable decentralized infrastructure, coming soon on Solana. So, well, they might be looking to join Solana, but I'm still coming to what I want. All right, so on their document, which is supposed to be like their white paper, they say that Spark is on a mission to redefine the internet incentive structures. And then they went further and said that the Spark infrastructure consists of 2 key components. The first one, which is the Spark desktop app, which allows users to contribute their unused internet bandwidth to the network, earning rewards and participating in the growth of AI. And then the second one went further and said that the sovereign data rollup consists of the network of nodes, routers, validators, ZK processor, and data ledger, which facilitates the data sourcing and transformation process, turning unstructured web data into structured data sets. So yeah, a lot of keywords here, a lot of things happening here. In case you don't understand that, let's take a look at the FAQ that I think is a bit more straightforward. So this is what Spark is. Now, very easy to understand. It says Spark is a network of millions of people who are earning rewards for sharing unused internet bandwidth with the Spark network. So it's as straightforward as you like it, right? They went on and said that your participation in the Spark network represents your contribution to building a more equitable internet and provides you with the opportunity to own a part of Spark network. Since everyone already pays for the internet, why not put your idle connection to work? So that's according to the Spark team. They are telling us that Spark is all about using unused internet to help facilitate their data structures, which I think makes some sense, right? This is not the only project that I think is doing this on the blockchain space, but today is not the day to discuss that. So that's that about what Spark Chain is all about. And quickly, let's take a look at their dashboard. This is their all new dashboard. And if you want to register, I will drop a link in the description below. You pick up the link, go through that link, join my clique, of course. And then you will be able to land on this page where you can click on start now. And then because I've already registered, it's going to load all this information here. But it's going to ask you to put in your email. You put in your email, you register. After registering, you carry out some tasks. If you come to the task page, you see so many tasks here. These are the pending tasks that I have not done. And then you can go down. These are the completed tasks that I've done, which includes tweeting on Hex, following them on Hex, joining their Telegram channel, and retweeting and tagging 3 friends on Hex. These are the things they want you to do. So you do those things and then you get some rewards. If you go to the rewards page, they will tell you to verify your email. If you verify your email, you also get rewarded for that. And also on their store page, you still have aside for loading this on your browser, another thing you can do is to use their Chrome extension. This is their Chrome extension. I'm also using the Chrome extension as well. but you can disconnect, you can connect from here, and then it's as good as you are opening it on your dashboard. And the very important notice here is that they also have a Telegram bot, which I personally do not think it's very good, to be honest. I think they shot themselves on the foot with the Telegram mini bot. Yes, I'm a big fan of what is happening in the Tom space, but you are telling people that you have not decided yet which chain you want to affiliate with and all that, which, well, I can't speak much to, but let's see how that goes. I'll also drop a link in the comments in the description below for you to know how their Telegram application works, and take a look at it. Of people who are there to farm community, majority of this project that we have there. But yeah, that's that on Spark Chain. So guys, let me know what you think about Spark Chain in the comments below. That's that from me. If you watch this video this long, thumbs up to you, big up yourselves, smash the like button, let's stimulate the algorithm, let's get this video to as many people as possible. And if you are new on this channel and you've watched this video this long, welcome to the community. Smash the subscribe button, join the community. We are doing amazing stuff here, and we have amazing videos you will love to watch on this channel. You can also check the description for all our socials, join our communities on all our socials, follow me on X, join our Telegram page, and be part of what we are doing. Don't forget once again that this video is sponsored by the like button. So guys, smash that like button, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next episode, guys. Big up yourselves. Peace.